my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and various. I shall always try to be better of it. I shall be my parents, teachers, and all others. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. As if we come to animal to my country and my people and pledge my devotion